Hello guys, so today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you create your account on Teams using your PC. So firstly, open your Teams application. So you can either open it through your browser or you can download the Windows application, whatever that's whatever that's good for you. So the process is pretty much the same. So once you have opened your application, you will see this sign in screen here where it will ask you to sign in. But if you don't have an account, so you can just click on create one. So here it's going to ask you how you're going to use this for. So I'll just use for small family business. All right. Okay, so that one, then you can choose one of these and then click on next. And now it's going to ask you for it's going to create the account creation process. So we're going to start the process. All right, so it's going to ask, you can use your account, you can use a phone number or email address. So just use email address. All right, so let me type in an email address that you're going to use. All right, so okay, then click on next. All right, okay, this is already taken, so let me use a different email. All right, I'm just going to try a different one. All right, let's see if this works. All right, okay, yep, I can use that email. It's not taken. Then just create a password for you to use and then click on next. And here it's going to ask you your name, so just type that. All right, and then it's going to ask you your country and your date of birth, so you just have to fill in those informations. So instead of typing the information, click next, and then it's going to send you an email, just to a verification email to it's going to send a verification email with a code to your email address. So just have to enter that code, just go back to your email and then get the code and then just plug it in here. Code is 6434. All right, so click on next, and once you are done, I'm just waiting for it to load. Okay, all right, there you go, done. So it's just asking for your name, so you can just continue, click on continue, and there you go, your account has now been created on Teams, and that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.